Welcome Farron's Quiz Answer Lock YouTube channel. Get ready to jingle all the way back through time with our engaging Christmas history quiz. Test your knowledge of traditions, legends, and fascinating facts about Christmas. Choose the correct answer and learn fun explanations for each. Question 1. What is the significance of December 25th in Christianity? A. Jesus' resurrection. B. Birth of Jesus Christ. C. The Last Supper. D. Jesus' ascension. Correct answer, B. Birth of Jesus Christ. Explanation. December 25th is celebrated as the birth of Jesus Christ, although the exact date of his birth is not mentioned in the Bible. Question 2. Who introduced the idea of celebrating Christmas with lights on trees? A. Martin Luther. B. Thomas Edison. C. Saint Francis. D. Prince Albert. Correct answer, A. Martin Luther. Explanation. Martin Luther, the Protestant reformer, is credited with adding candles to Christmas trees in Germany, inspired by the beauty of starlit skies. Question 3. Which European country is credited with starting the tradition of Christmas markets? A. Germany. B. France. C. Austria. D. Switzerland. Correct answer, A. Germany. Explanation. The tradition of Christmas markets began in Germany in the 14th century, with the Dresden Christmas market being one of the oldest. What Christmas decoration is associated with the phrase kiss under the mistletoe? A. Holly. B. Poinsettia. C. Mistletoe. 4. Ivy. Correct answer, C. Mistletoe. Explanation. Mistletoe, a plant with ancient Norse and Celtic associations, is tied to love and peace, inspiring the tradition of kissing beneath it during Christmas. Question 5. Which saint is said to have inspired Santa Claus? A. Saint Nicholas. B. Saint Peter. C. Saint Andrew. D. Saint Francis. Correct answer, A. Saint Nicholas. Explanation. Saint Nicholas, a 4th century bishop known for his generosity, inspired the modern figure of Santa Claus. His story spread widely in Europe and beyond. Question 6. What year was Christmas declared a federal holiday in the United States? A. 1776. B. 1836. C. 1870. D. 1900. Correct answer, C. 1870. Explanation. President Ulysses S. Grant signed a bill in 1870 making Christmas a federal holiday, recognizing its cultural and religious significance. Question 7. Which war temporarily halted for a Christmas truce in 1914? A. World War I. B. World War II. C. American Civil War. D. Crimean War. Correct answer, World War I. Explanation. During World War I, German and Allied troops called a ceasefire in 1914 to celebrate Christmas, exchanging gifts and playing soccer. Question 8. Which Christmas song is the best-selling single of all time? A. Jingle Bell Rock. B. White Christmas. C. Silent Night. D. All I Want for Christmas Is You. Correct answer, B. White Christmas. Explanation. Bing Crosby's White Christmas remains the best-selling single of all time, with over 50 million copies sold since its release in 1942. Question 9. What is the traditional Christmas dish in Japan? A. Roast turkey. B. Sushi. C. Fried chicken. D. Beef stew. Correct answer, C. Fried chicken. Explanation. In Japan, Christmas is celebrated with fried chicken, a tradition started by a successful KFC marketing campaign in the 1970s. Question 10. Which country first celebrated Christmas with carols? A. England. B. France. C. Italy. D. Germany. Correct answer, I. England. Explanation. Caroling began in England during the medieval period, with songs celebrating Christmas and other festive occasions sung door to door. Thank you for playing our Christmas quiz. Christmas Tree Sparkles, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more holiday fun.